Hello, Language Explorers. It's me, Anne, from Walk-A-Day English, where we provide daily walk themes combined with English language learning. If you are new to WADE, check out our welcome video to see how it all works. Today's theme is about a city or town square. What can you see there? What can you do there? Let's look at today's language target, most and most of. To talk about a majority of something in general, we can use most plus the noun. So most tourists in Toronto visit the CN Tower. Now, if we want to talk about the majority of a specific group of people, then we're going to say most of plus the noun. Now, you'll notice in my example, I have the word the. So with this pattern, I do need a word between most of and my noun. So that word is going to be a the, for example. In this case, most of the tourists here take the subway. But it can also be words like this, that, these, or those. It could also be words like my, his, her, yours, our, their. Before we look at my journal entry, this is the section of the video where I encourage you to practice your speaking by shadowing what I say. New to shadowing? Check out my shadowing video. Let's go on my walk. Nathan Phillips Square is right in front of Toronto City Hall. There are many things to do here, like concerts and events. There are a lot of spaces related to war and peace as well. I think the most popular things are ice skating and taking a picture with a Toronto sign. Most of the tourists like sitting in the O's for their pictures. I have been here for farmers markets, Indigenous celebrations, and New Year's Eve events. I am looking forward to June 5th when the farmers market opens back up. I like to walk here at lunch and support the local farmers and market sellers. On this walk, I looked at the Peace Garden and the Spirit Garden. It is early spring, so there isn't a lot of greenery yet, but most of the time flowers and green leaves can be seen. The pavilion was moved to this space during a redesign. Something most people don't know is that when the Peace Garden was first opened, they used water from Nagasaki and the eternal flame was lit in Hiroshima. The garden space between the Peace Garden and the Spirit Garden has stadium-like seating with many flower spaces. Most people, including myself until recently, didn't know that the design of this space is meant to represent cupped hands. The Spirit Garden is the newest addition to the square and creates a space to reflect and learn about Canada's Indigenous peoples. Most of the visitors here will take a picture with a turtle representing Turtle Island or in the canoe. This will be the first spring for this garden, so I am looking forward to seeing the Three Sisters, beans, squash, and corn garden, and the native medicinal garden. Many people spend time ice skating here. Most of the skaters rent their ice skates, but some will bring their own and skate for free. When I came here with my students, I'd like to share that at the base of one of the arches is a piece of the Berlin Wall. Most of my students don't know that before I tell them. Today's bonus challenge. There are two uses of most that do not match today's pattern. What are they, and what is their pattern? So there you have it, Language Explorers. Download the free PDF guide in the description. Go out and explore. Take pictures if you like. Take notes and write your journal entry. If you would like to get personalized feedback on your journal entry, become a WADE member by signing up on our website. Share your adventure in the comments. If you like this video and would like to see others, click on the subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe and explore your space one word at a time.